Hello guys, how are you doing? We are here in a Renault Clio 4 from building year 2018. A 900cc 3-cylinder engine with 90 horsepower. And I'm going to show you how you can replace the low beam H7 bulb. This front bulb H7, first open the hood, pull over here, and then you can see a lever over here. This one, slide it to the left, and at the same time you have to push and open the hood. And then we can see the 3-cylinder. You have a little latch over here, this one, you can pull on it and this will come out. On this side we do not have a lot of space. This little GoPro Hero 7 black. I will first disconnect the connector. So we will grab the connector and pull on it like that. Remember, the yellow wiring is underneath and the purple wiring is above. And then we will remove the iron piece on the right side, push it in, and at the same time slide it to the right, and then the left side, push it and slide it to the left, and then tilt it underneath, and then we can take the bulb out. Just grab it and pull it out. So I've took out the H7 bulb. You can see it over here. Do not touch the glass with your bare fingers. We can see that it's Osram 12 volt 55 watts H7. And if we want to put it back into the car, this is the right position, this part above. So we slide it in like that. Like that, we put it in over here, and then on this we can see that it is coming in the right place. And then we have to do those two pieces of metal back in the right position. So the left one we have to push and slide it to the right, and this one, the right side, we have to push and slide it to the left. So we will tilt it. So that's the first part. So that's how we do it, and now we will connect the wiring. Be sure the yellow wire is on the underside. Like that. And then we have to place this part back on. So that it is waterproof. And that's how we replace the front bulb H7 from a Renault Clio 4. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.